You are watching Kit Cabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Hasegawa Nakajima Ki 43 Hayabusa in 1/72 scale. Now, this kit already made a short appearance in the review of the special hobby kit that I did. But let's have a look inside what this one looks like. So here we have the sprues, and the model itself doesn't look too bad. The main thing is, let's see if we can get this into focus, it has raised panel lines. It's an older kit, looking good though. And the other thing is that there's no interior to speak of. It's like no sidewall detail. But then again, there is a cockpit floor. There is a control cone. This is actually a highly detailed cockpit for that time. And also the cockpit opening itself, I don't know if you can see it properly here, isn't very big. So you won't see much of the cockpit anyway, but you can of course add some detail in there yourself, and the rest looks just fine. Very nice engine. The transparency, as you could see before, the cockpit isn't very big, so the canopy is also very small, and unfortunately it does suffer from a lot of distortion. So, well, if you can see anything, if you could see any detail in the cockpit, this will surely distort it to an unrecognizable blur. The decals. I tend to do that a lot apparently. I use these roundels on my Zero. I can tell you that the decals work quite well, and don't worry, the complete sheet is at the end of the video. The instructions, very simple kit, very straightforward, very basic. You really can't go wrong here. Some lovely paint schemes, the sprue map, and your usual story. So, what you have here is basically a nice kit. It's somewhat old, which you can see in the raised panel lining and the lack of cockpit detail, but it's still a very nice kit and certainly worthwhile.